Hi Chomi, good morning. Yo, ngibethe umkhuhlane. Ngenzani uyangcoba. Kube kuya ngami, kube nginolerato legrisi shem na iyona impilo engiyideservayo leyo. And ke energy booster yami nayo ila amagunya wami yazi ukuthi azoshodelela kamnandi mase ngithe energy booster. Already washa nami. Ungahambi phela. Hawu. Oh, this reload is for the carpet, call it water bath. Okay, I know it's a lot, but I want to enjoy my weekend. Okay, the time is 10 to 4, since we'll be back, but we gotta keep going. The time is 20 past 9 now. I'm so tired. Ngiyathemba nje nalo mkhuhlane uyabona ukuthi anginasikhathi sawo mina. Anyway, thank you guys for watching up to this far. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.